Hey guys, more and more real estate investors are turning to direct mail campaigns to expand their outreach, and you would not believe the success they're seeing. Direct mail remains one of the most effective ways to connect with property owners, and BatchLeads lets you design mailers and create targeted campaigns inside the app. But guess what? We took it a step further. BatchLeads just overhauled its direct mail features so you can customize and track your campaigns like never before. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing you more educational content for free. First things first, why is direct mail making a comeback? Well, the complex rules governing cold calling and texting, alongside the flood of emails that are in everyone's inbox, it's no surprise that traditional real estate marketing methods are becoming increasingly challenging. That's precisely why the most savvy investors use direct mail to get the greatest return on investment. Let's look at some statistics. According to a 2023 study by Lobb and a 2021 study by USPS, 50% of consumers age 35 plus find direct mail more significant than email. 64% of consumers take action after receiving direct mail, and a whopping 72% of young consumers enjoy receiving mail. That means property owners are going to be more receptive to your outreach, which means more deals for you. Plus, BatchLeads direct mail has some of the lowest prices on the market, so it's a win-win. Okay, let's look at what's going on in BatchLeads. First, we've tweaked the campaign section to make navigation easier. Click Select Action to find a drop-down list of actions you can take. Here you can create a campaign, design or edit postcards and letters, create or edit direct mail signatures, and configure your one-click direct mail settings. Since campaign creation hasn't changed, we're going to start with the new postcards and letters. As you can see, we have several new templates here, or you can create one from scratch. Now, let's say I created one of my own templates in Canva and I want to upload it. I just go in, grab the photo, resize it, and I'm ready to go. I can even add more text, place it wherever I want, add dynamic fields, and send layers to the front or back. We even added a feature for you to display the minimum and maximum value of the home, so you can provide an offer range to the property owner. These values are based on our own signature valuation algorithm. And let's say you created and sent a direct mail campaign, but you found new properties you want to send mail to. No problem. Simply go into property details for any property and click the Send Direct Mail button. The system will send them direct mail based on the settings you choose. These new design features give you the freedom to design direct mail that drives results. And coming soon, 6x9 postcards will be available in the BatchLeads app. You'll be able to catch property owners' attention like never before. So what are you waiting for? Log into your BatchLeads account or sign up for a 7-day free trial today.